Ho, ho, ho. Hello everybody, welcome back. How did you get on with your little tune? I hope it was a real stocking filler. Right, now let us start making this little tune into something more than just a couple of bars of nonsense. Right, so just remind us what the little tune was. It was... Ho, 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 ho. That's the tune. So how are we going to... Santa's dog wants to come in. Hello, dog. Hello. How are you, Rolo? You don't know what to make of me dressed up like this, do you? Ho, ho, ho. Yes. Okay, Rolo. Ho, ho. Oh, my God. Okay. Hello, Rolo. Up you get, young man. Hey, Rolo. Up, 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 up. Come on. Oh, what are you doing? Oh, for goodness sake, you silly dog. Here. Here. He does not know what to do with Father Christmas. What? What? And now you've met the reindeer? Oh, for goodness sake. He's not going to bite you. Look, it's just a reindeer. Come here. No, you know, oh dear. Okay, go on then, off you go. No, off that way. Whoa, Rolo didn't think much of that, did he? Right, let's get this tune going. Right, okay. So next part of this is to start putting this into some kind of arrangement, really. What I'm gonna do, I'm gonna duplicate that track and mute it off because I'm well known for forgetting my own tunes. So now we need an intro. So we're going to go for some short strings. These fellas. There you go, 4 bars of that, that'll do. And now we're going to add some pizzicato basses underneath, just giving it a bit of oomph. Here we go. Right, now we can start implying some of our tune in some, how about piccolo? I don't want to give the whole thing away too quickly. Woodwind's a big deal with Christmas tunes, as you know. No. Nearly there. So we've got a little bit of stuff going on in here. I think we can extend this intro a little bit further. It's sounding all right, and we're not quite ready to get all worked up about our Christmas tune yet. So we're going to duplicate that, and we're going to duplicate this like that. Okay. Okay, quite like what was going on in there. I think we're going to put some bassoon underneath. So that we got a bit of a, there's a little, is it too early to bring in a little bit of brass? Some quiet trombones? Maybe, let's see. Only one way to find out. Okay, that did work. So what I did there was I was going C, second inversion of chord 4, which is F. So it's like using that bottom C like a pedal, walking up to the sort of G, like that. And I think that worked quite well. I think we need a harpgless at the beginning of this though. Okay, that's working out quite well. We now need a little bit, we're just building an intro here. I might have a 6-bar intro actually. It's feeling that flourish there felt like where we're going to come in with our main tune to me. And some of this, when you're writing a tune or whatever else, you just got to feel your way. Sometimes it makes more sense than others. So let's right, let's do I need something faster going on in here? I think I do somehow. Maybe asking for trouble. Let's see what happens. Let's go in 16s. Okay, I'm now going to go like this. Do 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 like that. Okay, see what that sounds like. It sounds great. Well, now we can come in with a low string line. Maybe just implying the tune. Whoa. Car crash, car crash, car crash. That's because I'm in merge rather than overwrite. There we go. There's quite a lot going on, so I don't want to clash with anything. So maybe just one. Okay, so that's, now we can perhaps on this second bit here add in some horns. There we go. That's what's going on. Now we can add and a little short, nothing like Christmassy trumpet. Now we start. Right. Ha 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 ha! Ho ho ho! So we're starting to get our little Christmas track together. What else do we need here before we... Now we're into the main tune. Do I save this tomorrow? I think I'm going to save this tomorrow. Right. So what we're going to do, what you're going to do now, you've written your tune. I want you to do an introduction. So this is really starting to get to grips with some of the orchestration elements of this. This template is available. All the details are underneath this this video. We're using a free library, so you should be able to follow along with the whole thing, writing your own little cheerful Christmas tune. So come back tomorrow and we'll get into the main body of the piece, okay? See you then.